Hello everyone, this is the topic spreadsheet, and in this video we are going to learn some terms related to this topic. So first let us learn what is formula in Excel. So the formula are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. A formula stabilizes a relationship between two or more cells in an expression that can include cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Using it, you can perform simple as well as complex calculation. Formula must begin with equal to sign, followed by cell references and operators. It may contain a few or all the below mentioned elements. So first one is references, a cell or a range of cells that you want to include in the calculation. Second is operator, symbols like plus, minus, whatever you are having in keyboard that we use basically in mathematical calculations that specify the operations to be performed. Next is constant, the numbers or text values that we do not change. And functions, these functions are predefined formulas in Excel. Now let us know what are the elements of formula in Excel. As you can see in this example, the formula starts with equal to sign. Now A2, B2, E3, E5, these are called cell address. 5 here is called constant. Plus, multiply, minus, these are called mathematical operators. Here sum is called function, and E3 is to E5, this is called range. That means it contains E3, E4, E5. Now what is cell range? A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. It can be a group of two cells or big as an entire worksheet. So you can specify a range by writing the starting cell address followed by the ending cell address, both separated by colon. For example, if you write C1 is to C10, it indicates a range starting from cell C1 and ending with C10. That means all the cells are selected from C1 to C10. Cell reference and its types. The cell address that we use in the formula is known as cell reference. For example, A1, where A denotes column name and 1 denotes row number. With references, you can use the data from different parts of the worksheet or different sheets of the workbook. The types of cell references are relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference and circular reference. Now what is functions? Functions are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. Functions save time and eliminates the chance of writing wrong formulas. They accept arguments and return values. Arguments are the input values to functions upon which calculations are performed to find out the final result. These values can be numbers, text, etc. and are enclosed within the parentheses. Functions begins with the equal to sign followed by the function name and then the list of arguments separated by comma within the parentheses. For example, if you write a function name like sum, then you have to give the arguments like you have to write the range from a1 to a3. So there are some rules to enter a functions. So first one is, all Excel functions must begin with is equal to sign. Function name must be a valid Excel name. For example, sum, average, etc. Function name must be followed by an opening and closing parenthesis. Arguments are enclosed in the parenthesis. For example, you can see this one. These arguments a1 to a5 is written inside the parenthesis. So I hope this explanation is clear to you. In next video of the chapter spreadsheet, I am going to show you everything by doing practicals. Till then, thank you.